Welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn designing and animating Lego connectors in Fusion 360. What we learned yesterday, students designed their Lego pieces using the Fusion 360. Each pieces could vary in size and a shape, but the circular connectors was designed to fit and interlock perfectly with the other Lego pieces. Today's lesson, students will learn how to use a join and motion command in Fusion 360. These commands allow you to assemble parts by joining components and create animations to demonstrate how parts move relative to each other. So before we start it, make sure we have to create a component from your body. You right click on your body. We don't have a body at this moment because I already create the component. So I have a component 1 which is here, component 2 and component 3. So I am going to connect my component 3 to my another component. So I'm going to click a J from the keyboard, a J for join. This is a shortcut, or you will go to the assembly here and you will find a J for joint. Click on it and now you are going to close to any part, whatever you like to connect. So I will go here. I'm going to connect this. You see the arrow is up, the red one. So click here. And now I am going to the bottom of my part, and then I am going to connect this piece here. So I will go to the bottom, and then as I mentioned, I am going to connect here. So right there, you see it's fit perfectly there. Now what I'm going to do, if you see, this is my component 1, which is component 2.2 on the browser window you see here, and then my component 2 is my component 1.1. So I connect my component 1.1 with the component 2.2. Now let's talk about the motion. You can also change the positions if you like it. Since it's perfectly fit, I'm not going to move it, but you can in any direction, right? So I'm going to change it to 0 again, or like Control Z to move it back. Let's do it one more time since it's gone, and then it will be another demonstration for you guys. So J for join, click on it, make sure your arrow is there, it's in the center, and you go to the bottom. Since this is the one I am going to connect here, right there on the bottom here. Let me make sure it's there, and I'm going to connect there. It's perfectly fit, right? Now before doing anything, you go to the motion. This is a rigid, so it's connected. You can do revolve. You see the motion? This is the motion. Like if you click on play here, we can do it like to moving objects. If you like to create a handle for something, we are going to learn a lot of different mechanism later on. You can do revolve also. You can do the slider, hey, and then you can do the minimum and maximum sliding space. You can adjust, right? We can do a cylinder, so it's going to be a moving, and then we can do a revolve. As I mentioned, we can do a slider, we can do cylinder, we can do a planer, and we can do a ball, right? We have a different styles. Now we are going to do ridge. Depends on, and you have to share, you have to record your screen and then share with me how you're going to record the scene. You are going to press the Alt and Windows key by next to the space key on the keyboard, left hand side, Alt and Windows key together, and press the R key and then you will see the screen recording on your screen. I'm going to do it, and you have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then it will appear something like this. It's already starting. You are recording. Make sure when you are using the commands, you record it, or when you are animating your connections, to record it. Once you're done, submit your video recording in a Google Classroom. You will find this recording in my documents, in my videos. Thank you. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Have a great day.